I start to record. It has time limits, so I hope we will be done. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to specify our model. Here you see this in the second box in your toolbox, specify the first level. I click on this. You will have the batch editor here. Here you see that it's a fMRI model specification in the module list. So you need to specify a directory here. This will be that GLM folder I told you to create. This is GLM. I select GML. You can see that it is selected. I click on done. And you can see here that units for design, you will specify it as seconds. And next you have this timing parameter here. And there is this interscan interval. You will come down and you will see that this is the TR. So TR from the data acquisition, we know that it was 2.4 seconds. And the next is micro time resolution. This is based on the description here, this is the number of the slice we have. From data acquisition, we know that we have 40 slices. And this macro time onset, again, we know that it is the middle slice, which will be slice number 20. This was the reference slice in slice timing correction. And for data and design, I click on new subject. And here I need to specify some scans. So here you need to specify those that you do smoothing for them. The smooth one has the prefix S. I select all of them. I had 128 scans. And here you see these conditions. So I click on it. I click on new condition. I am creating a new condition. So let's go back to our data. In this folder, you have a paradigm file, which is a CSV file. In the same folder, you have your bold scans. Here you will find out all the information about all the tasks that the subject is doing. So this task, for example, here, this is the starting time. This is the ending time, and this is the and also we have this duration of the task. And this task is looking at a checkerboard. So I copy this task name, and this task is going to be my condition here. I have to specify the name of the task. this is my task, and I have to specify the onset. So what is the onset? Onset is going to be these numbers. This one. You have it from data acquisition. So you need all the onsets for this task. You have 10, and you need to enter all of them. You have 33, 96, Okay, so you need to enter all of them from here to here. And then you can click on OK, and you will find them here. The next is the duration. And as you can see, the duration is 0. And now we are ready. We can click on run. And after you run, in your folder, you will find out this file, spm.mat. This is the design matrix. This is the X for one task, for one regressor. So right now, we just define the model. We just define the X for one task. Next step is to do defining the beta for each voxel. That will be model estimation. Here I have this estimate button. I click on it, and it only asks where that spm.mat file is. So here I need to specify this one. Here you can see it. I select my spm.mat file, and I'm done. This is just asking that if we want to write an error file, the write residuals, we don't want to, and the method that I said in the slide, it used the classical method, you can see that we have first level Bayesian, second level Bayesian. We want to use the classical method here. And we are ready. You can click on run at this step. And after running this file, we can see the result. Let me find here. Click on results. And again here you need to select this spm.mat file. And you will have this new window here. So here it asks to define a contrast here. And you can see that you have like options to show the T contrast. There are also F contrast that we only learned about T contrast today. And also you have this option to do both. So here I have this option to define a new contrast. I click on it. And again here the name of the contrast is the same as the name of our task. I'm going to copy. Here is the name of the contrast, and here I need to I want to check if it is greater than 0, like the C vectors we saw, the contrast vectors we saw. So I'm going to write 1 and 0, and now I can submit. And after you submit here, you can find this out. Like this is, you will see something like this. This is 1 referring to 1, and this is referring to 0, and then you can press OK, and now you are done. For this part. So here you will find out in this window you have this stats results. This wasn't here before. So these are some steps you need to do. For here it asks whether to apply masking. We select none. And p-value adjustment, here you need to select FWE. And for p-value here, you just enter as for the default one. This is the alpha. This was the risk factor, the false positive rate. And extend the threshold. It is asking about the threshold. It asks what is the minimum size we consider to be active. So we put it 0. We don't want to remove anything. Okay. So this is the activated map we have. And again, I come back here in this the same window, the result stat. Here you have this display box. You have this overlay option. You click on overlay, then I click on montage, and here I'm going to select the brain template that was in the SPM folder, in the canonical SPM folder. It is this one, the 152T1. And here, image orientation, I click on the first button, and again you will see a different cut of brain and see the activation of the back of the brain again. So you can find these very small yellow areas. They are here, they are here. And this is the part in the brain that is going to be activated during the checkerboard task, which is related to the visual cortex, which we expected. And again here in this stat results window, I click on overlay, I click on section, and again I select the template. And here you can also find it out in the template. You can see this, you can have this activated area here as well, which is in the visual cortex. It is related to region. And that was it for today. Any questions? You can do it by yourself.